Welcome to Aayat Technical, your gateway to excellence in BMS and MEP systems training. Aayat Technical is a specialized training provider dedicated to building management systems, BMS, and MEP solutions. Our mission is to bridge the skill gap in building automation, controls, and infrastructure systems through practical, industry-focused training programs. Our training covers 6 main areas: BMS, HVAC mechanical systems, electrical systems, plumbing systems, firefighting, life safety systems, and codes, standards, maintenance best practices. Learn about BMS architecture and components, sensors, actuators, field devices, HVAC integration, energy monitoring and optimization, as well as networking and cybersecurity in BMS. Explore HVAC equipment including pumps, fans, chillers, and air handling systems, and understand their integration within building management. Understand power distribution, lighting control, UPS, and generator systems essential for modern buildings. Gain expertise in water supply, piping networks, fixtures, and drainage systems for efficient building operations. Learn the design principles, operation and maintenance standards for firefighting and life safety systems. Stay updated with the latest codes, standards, and best practices for maintenance in building systems. Choose Aayat Tech for industry experienced trainers, hands-on practical labs, real project simulations, globally recognized certification, and flexible learning schedules.